Not all foundation companies are the same. Hi, I'm Derek with Deep Rock Foundations, and here's the 3 most important things you should be asking your foundation repair company. Number 1, am I gonna get before and after elevation readings? So before and after, they're gonna show you, here's where it's at today, it was down 2 inches, now it's at -1/2, why? The reason before and after elevation readings are important is because of the high accountability that comes with it. So if a company is showing you that your foundation's down 2, 3, 4 inches, you wanna know where they're gonna take it to and where they finish. And when that foundation is finished, you wanna know that your foundation is level and you want it in writing to prove it. Number 2, am I gonna get a final engineer site visit and report showing my foundation repair was done correctly? This is important because it's gonna give increased accountability to make sure your project was performed well with the documentation to prove it. And finally, the 3rd most important question to ask is, am I gonna have a single point of contact throughout my entire project? Some things that you may have experienced is maybe you trust the person that you met, the consultant or the expert that came to your house originally, but then you never see him again. So it's important to find out whether or not that person that you trusted that maybe put the plan together, is he gonna perform the project to make sure that it went well and be able to communicate with you and the crews all the things that are important for your specific project. At Deep Rock Foundations, we're gonna provide before and after elevation readings, a final engineer site visit with a final engineer report for your confidence, and we're gonna have a single point of contact, one person that you can trust through the entire project to make sure that your project goes great. So to start that project off, we're gonna give you a free evaluation where you're gonna meet with your foundation consultant to walk you through the entire scope of your project with transparent plans and pricing. So call Deep Rock Foundations if you're interested in getting a free evaluation from a high quality company that's gonna provide for you those important things that you're gonna need to make sure your project goes well.